If you think your job is safe from AI, think again. Right now, there are free AI tools, yes, completely free, that are quietly replacing jobs in law, in editing, in marketing, and even in tech, and hardly anyone is talking about them. But by the end of this video, you'll not only know which ones are the biggest threats, but also how to use them before they use you. Let's start with a scary one, Rask AI. It takes your video, translates it, and dubs it in over 60 languages automatically. You don't need a translator, you don't need a voiceover artist. Just upload your video, pick a language, and in seconds, it sounds like you're speaking fluent Spanish, French, or even Japanese. Now imagine you're a voice artist or a localization expert. This tool can replace weeks of work in just minutes. Even big YouTubers and global companies are using this to expand worldwide without hiring a team. And yes, it's completely free to try. Next up is something wild, JOB.Pay. The world's first AI lawyer. Yes, a lawyer that lives inside an app. It can help you fight parking tickets, get refunds from airlines, cancel hidden subscriptions, and even draft legal documents like contracts or complaints. You no longer need to call a lawyer for every little issue. JOB.Pay handles it all. With just a few clicks, it's powerful enough to do many of the tasks that junior legal assistants and paralegals get paid for. Think about it. If this AI can handle your paperwork, your appeals, and your legal letters, how long before small businesses stop hiring legal teams completely? This isn't just convenience, it's disruption, and it's already happening. Now this one's insane. Papercup, an AI dubbing tool trusted by the BBC, Sky News, and even Bloomberg. You upload your video, and Papercup creates voiceovers in multiple languages, and not robotic junk. These voices sound real, human, emotional, natural. It understands context, emotion, tone, everything. No more weird translations, no more awkward robot voices. If you're a dubbing artist, translator, voiceover freelancer, this tool is already eating up your job. Entire translation teams are being replaced by just this one tool. And here's the twist. It's so easy that even YouTubers are using it to go global without hiring anyone. If your job involves video localization, you seriously need to watch out for Papercup. Now this one is next level. Opus Clip. You give it a long video, a podcast, a tutorial, a webinar, and it chops it into viral shorts automatically. Captions, done. Emojis, done. Zoom-ins, cuts, music, sound effects, all done. Instantly, what used to take you hours of editing now takes just minutes. And here's the crazy part. It finds your most engaging clips on its own. You don't have to watch the whole video. You don't even need to edit manually. It knows what's going to get views. If you're a content editor, social media manager, or run a marketing agency, Opus Clip is already doing your job. Faster, cheaper, better. But here's the flip side. If you learn to use it now, you'll be twice as productive. For free. And finally, meet Durable, an AI website builder that builds an entire business website in under 30 seconds. You just tell it, I run a bakery, or I'm a fitness coach, and boom, Durable designs the layout, writes the content, adds contact forms, SEO tools, even analytics dashboards. No coding, no design skills, no hiring anyone. Freelancers who charge hundreds of dollars for this. Yet Durable is their worst nightmare. But here's the kicker. It's not just a website builder. It's a full business launchpad. And yes, it starts free. Now zoom out with me for a second. These aren't just cool tools. These are red flags. Real jobs are already being replaced, not just in factories or warehouses, but in creative fields, marketing, tech, even legal work. The people who succeed now aren't scared of AI, they use it. This was video number 1 in our new series on underrated AI tools. We will drop more such informative AI videos and how to use them too, so hit that subscribe button right now. And don't get left behind, because this isn't the future. It's already happening. If this tool blew your mind, wait till you see the others. Tap the link and binge our full playlist of crazy free AI tools. Trust me, you're not ready for what's next.